Welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. We just got back to the farm. The power is on, so I'm going to put the fan together. Hanabishi is the way Mercy told me to pronounce that. It's a fan that she bought. 16 inches. It's got pastel color blades, and that's the main thing that attracted Mercy to it. So typically they'll put them together for you at the store or whatever, but we just took one in the box, made it easier to transport and stuff. So I'm gonna throw it together. See what it's like. Hopefully it produces tornado force wind and cools the entire house. But we got it on a stand so we could move it around and all that good stuff instead of the table model. But that's the box. Now be right back. So you see it has a purple fan part, blades. But here's the pieces to it. The base, the pole, the motor, the cage, and the blades, of course. So I'll get it assembled up here. We'll see what it looks like standing. Okay, we got the base put onto the pole, shaft, whatever you want to call it. So did need a screwdriver for that, and fortunately we did bring a small kit with us. We'll get that part off. Doroteo was amazed that we were able to do that much. You were amazed, right? More amazement to come. Okay, we got the motor part on. And one thing I noticed at this point, I was trying to figure out about this pole, how this pole got attached and stuff. It was down inside. And then you pull this up and tighten it here. But I looked around for simple instructions on how to put a fan together. Because, you know, let me tell you now, I haven't put that many fans together in my lifetime. But I guess they assume people that build these already know what they're doing. So, no instructions anywhere. So, not on the box, not on the paper that was inside. There was something about a warranty, but that was it. So, but I can figure it out. It just would have been nice to have a instruction. So I didn't have to think. I could just read it. Alright. To the next part. So that is put together. Except for one last piece. The name badge. You gotta advertise for them, of course. Here, let me try not to do this one-handed. Alright, Jabba has just plugged that in for us. Right here. Yeah, we haven't put away our clothes yet. We just got here and I was just putting the fan together. Doroteo, you want to fire it up for the first time? See how it works? Oop. There it is. We have a fan in the house now. Well, we had this one, but you know it doesn't. It's not made for full-time use, I don't think. But this one is. We can tote it around the house and plug it in wherever and cool us all down. Come here, Dorothea. Here's yeah. Okay. Well, whatever numbers they are. What do you want to tell everybody, Dorothea?
Like this video.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to us if you haven't, and comment, share, whatever you like to do. We're here at the farm. We're the Rileys. Check us out.
Thumbs up.
There you are. Till next time.
Peace.